So it's not so easy. So for the first year, at least for the first year, I think working remote officially or legally is a bit complicated. What you can do is after the first year renew this residency in the way we told you, with the self-employed way. You can register as self-employed in Spain, and instead of having a payslip, what you would do is you will invoice your company in the UK or anywhere else every month or every week, the same as you were doing before. With that, being registered as an autonomous, you have also the possibility of getting free healthcare, because you will pay an amount to the healthcare system. So my advice is that if you are going to work here remote, to register as self-employed, because it will be cheaper for you and for the company, because if they have to register yourself as an employee here, pay the social security here, that is a bit expensive. It may be not help to do this.
Probably easier if they wait for the first year is up after that. I often say to people, use that first year to set up, think about what you're doing, get yourself sorted, and then look into working remotely or working self-employed after the first year. It will be a little bit easier.
That's right.